Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2019 GMC Terrain and I will show you which fuse and which relay to check in case your AC air conditioner is not working. This video will apply to GMC Terrains made from 2018 all the way up to 2024. Both the AC fuse and relay will be located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood just next to the battery right here. Now to remove the cover, you will have a couple of black tabs, one here, and one here. You want to press and lift up to unlock it. Once you remove the cover, on the back side of the cover you will also have a small fuse diagram. And here you have the access to all of the fuses. F09, it's a 10 amp red fuse located right here, responsible for power to AC clutch. And the AC clutch relay is located right here. Now the best way to test the relay is using the multimeter, or if you don't have one, you can also try replacing this one with one relay of the same kind and see if that makes a difference. If it does, just get a new relay. Now, if both fuse and relay prove to be good, then you will have to dig a bit deeper and start by making sure that the AC is charged up, there is no leaks coming from the AC lines, and that AC compressor is working. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.